Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to practice English through a simple daily life conversation. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Hello everyone. Let us talk about our daily routine in English so that you can learn step by step.
That is a good idea. I will start. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water.
I usually wake up earlier, around 6:30. After waking up, I make my bed and then brush my teeth.
Making the bed is a good habit. It keeps the room tidy and makes the day start fresh.
Exactly. After brushing my teeth, I wash my face. It makes me feel fresh and ready for the day.
After that, I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread and eggs, sometimes I eat oatmeal with fruit.
I like to drink a cup of coffee in the morning. With coffee, I eat toast or sometimes rice if I am really hungry.
Breakfast is very important. Without breakfast, it is hard to focus on study or work.
Yes, you are right. After breakfast, I usually read the news or check my emails quickly.
I check my phone messages, but I try not to spend too much time on social media in the morning.
That is a smart choice. Social media can waste a lot of time if we are not careful.
After breakfast, I prepare for my classes. I pack my books, notebooks, and water bottle before I leave.
For me, I get ready for work. I put on formal clothes, check my bag, and then I go out.
How do you go to work? Do you walk, take a bus, or drive?
I usually take the bus. It takes about 30 minutes. Sometimes I listen to podcasts while traveling.
That is a good way to learn new things. I usually walk to my class because it is close to my house. Walking is also healthy. It is a kind of exercise and helps clear the mind. In class, I try to listen carefully and take notes. Later, I review them at home.
At work, I attend meetings, reply to emails, and complete my daily tasks. Sometimes it gets very busy.
Yes, study can also be stressful when assignments are too many, but planning makes it easier. I agree. Planning and time management are very important skills for success. At lunchtime, I usually eat rice and vegetables or sometimes noodles. I try to eat healthy food. I also prefer rice and vegetables, but sometimes I eat fast food when I do not have enough time. After lunch, I take a short break, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. It helps me to relax. I also take a break. Sometimes I drink tea or talk to my colleagues for a few minutes. In the afternoon, I finish my classes and then return home. I take some rest for a while. I return home in the evening. The first thing I do is change my clothes and wash my hands and face. In the evening, I like to go for a short walk or sometimes I read a book. I like to play guitar or watch videos in the evening. It helps me relax after a long day. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, 3 times a week. I go running and sometimes do push-ups and sit-ups. It keeps me fit. That is good. I also exercise but lightly, like stretching and jogging. It makes me feel healthy. Dinner is also an important part of the day. What do you usually eat for dinner? I usually eat rice, fish and vegetables. Sometimes I try pasta or soup. I like simple food at night. Rice and curry are my favorite for dinner. After dinner, I help my family with small chores like cleaning the table or washing dishes. I usually spend some time with my family, talking or watching television together. Before going to bed, I study my notes for 15 minutes. It helps me remember better. I prefer reading a book or writing in my diary before sleeping. It relaxes my mind. I usually go to bed at 11 o'clock. A good night's sleep is important for health. I go to bed a little earlier, around 10:30. I like to wake up early, so sleeping on time is important. Yes, waking up early makes the day more productive. So this was our daily routine conversation. I hope it helps you learn new words and expressions.
Remember, practice is the key. Try to talk about your own daily routine in English.
Speak out loud even if you are alone. It builds confidence. Do not worry about mistakes. Every mistake is a step towards learning.
Yes, keep practicing every day. Slowly you will improve.
Thank you for joining our conversation today.
We will meet again with another interesting English practice session.
Please subscribe for more episode.